Is your Chevy Impala 2014 to 2020 key fob not working? The first and most common fix is a battery replacement. You'll need a CR32 battery, easily found online or at most pharmacies for $1 to $5. First, locate the small notch or seam on the edge of the key fob. Gently pry it open using a flathead screwdriver or a key. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's properly seated. Snap the case back together, test the buttons, lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. If it works, you're done. If not, proceed to the next section on reprogramming or troubleshooting. If your Impala key fob still isn't working after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be needed. First, check for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob and clean with rubbing alcohol if necessary. If that doesn't work, try reprogramming by starting your Impala with the physical key in the ignition and cycling the ignition on and off several times. Consider using an OBD2 scanner, as some models have key fob programming functions. If these steps don't work, the issue may be more complex, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember, approximately 15% of Impala owners report fob issues within 5 years, but battery replacement fixes about 70% of these cases. Consult a mechanic or utilize DIY solutions such as YouTube videos to fix it yourself. The most important thing is to not damage the physical fob itself.